one thing we had not done yet was actually check out Cooper's Rock State Forest. And there is a furnace, like it's called the Henry Clay Furnace. And we drove down there like probably 2-3 miles down the road, and then you have to hike a mile in. I'm not going to do that. What's that say? In memory of Robert Fechner,
Director of the CCC.
1899? Is that what that says? To 19?
39.
Oh, 39. Okay. I thought it was 99. I was like, good grief, he was 100. So, probably the biggest draw for the park is the overlook. So that's what we're going to go do, is go check out the overlook. And it's not there, it's actually wheelchair accessible too. There's a wheelchair accessible path. So it's not supposed to be real far down here, I don't believe. Well, I'm hoping there's more to the overlook than that little spot where everybody's crowded in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, more stairs.
I saw that sign.
Yeah, I mean, we came over here with the whole group. So.
Yeah, you don't want to go for that.
What did it say? Limit of how many pedestrians?
Oh, I didn't look at it.
Come back in 2 weeks.
10? Seriously?
On the bridge. Yeah.
They can't make the bridge a little sturdier, that it'd hold more people? Whoa.
You can barely see the floor.
Holy moly.
It's 20 quarters. 25 quarters or 25 cents. Hey, don't you take it out and throw it away. In the trash can. Oh yeah, we've been down there. What if I can make it down there? Look this way. No, not that way, this way. I know.
You can't see the river. Oh, it's over there.
Well, I mean, you can kind of see it right there, too.
Okay.
There it is.
We came on a nice day. No climbing out.
It's definitely a good view. It's pretty. This is the view from the wheelchair accessible spot. I'm assuming you probably used to be able to go down there, but I don't know if you can get there now. It looked like all the rock was broke over there. See that river right down there. Very pretty. Glad we took the time to check it out. Alright, we are finally back to the camper and we decided to go get lunch. I've been wanting... Okay, so, you know, if you followed us for a while, I do like to try the different foods, you know, that are like popular or whatever in whatever state we might be in. West Virginia, it's slaw dogs and pepperoni rolls. So we stopped at Hometown Hot Dog in Morgantown, and they're supposed to have the best slaw dogs, pepperoni rolls. They had high ratings, and they were actually very cheap. So I'm going to try the slaw dog, because Jesse don't like coleslaw. And he's going to try the pepperoni roll.
That's really good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's show them what's in it. This looks like meat. We got the one with cheese and sauce, but you can get one plain.
You can also get one all loaded down with like
Yeah, all
olives and-
kinds of stuff. Olives, jalapenos, and all that stuff. Yeah, that's probably the one I should have got.
Yeah, not me.
I got one of those, but I may be waiting and taking that with me on our travels tomorrow. Now I'll try this slaw dog. It's good. It's really good. I'm gonna have to start making those at home.
For you.
Yeah, I know you don't like coleslaw. Okay, so tomorrow we are moving.
Yep.
So we're gonna pick this up in the morning on our travels to Virginia. Well, we made it into Virginia. I missed the welcome sign. It was kind of on a curve, and these little back roads. Yeah, I'm not too keen on driving and videoing, but I saw this big mountain right straight in front of me, and I thought, yeah, I'm gonna try to get that. A lot of cute little farmy towns through here. I can't remember what highway we're on, but it's just neat. It's so pretty. They've got some really neat barns out here. I love a good barn. There's so many I kept thinking, oh, I'd love to get a picture of that. Oh, I'd love to get a picture of that. But as you can see, there's not exactly like pull-off spots, so kind of just had to let them go on by. Such a shame. But it is nice to see that at least this section of Virginia is just as pretty and beautiful as West Virginia. Still getting fall colors. Look at that house way up on top of that hill. Oh my gosh, I would zoom in if I could, but I'm kind of driving too, so. It's like straight up from that rock bluff. That's crazy. Bet they got a good view. Well, we're just gonna kind of drive around through the campground a little bit. These little cabins are super cute. They have them, or I think they were calling them yurts, weren't they?
No, they had actual yurts.
Oh, did they have yurts over there? Oh, okay. So we're at Pocahontas State Park in Virginia. We're, what, maybe 20 minutes from Richmond?
Yeah,
Something like that. I think we're actually on the west side of Richmond. We're not very far from Chesterfield.
Chesterfield, yeah.
Yeah. kind of a confusing campground, I feel like. It's not like a big loop. It's like a bunch of little loops clumped together. So you got to watch the sign for where you have to go for your campsite number. So it all splits off, and I don't know. They're nice sites though.
Yeah, a lot of space between them.
Yeah, they're spaced apart nicely. They're mostly pretty long for the most part. Oh, yep, there's the bathhouse. I guess Jesse's gonna
Break time, I'm gonna break it in.
break it.
Trails. There are trails all over here.
Yeah, I wish we need to see if there's like a map somewhere. I'd like to see what all there is. So when we got here, there's no one at the check-in station. Yeah, that actually looks like a map. Is that another bathroom? What is that?
No, let's see, that's like a cabin or something.
With an ice machine?
It's a fancy cabin. Oh no,
Laundry.
It's a laundry.
Oh, wow.
Good.
Maybe we'll go in and check
they
that
catch
out.
rainwater.
I think I'll go check that out. Oh yeah, they do catch rainwater. I want to see what this says. Let's show you a map. So I was saying, nobody's at the check-in station. So we just had to come in and find our spot ourselves, and there was no maps, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah, so we're right here at the laundromat. I don't know what that's a symbol of. That's a shower, playground shower. Lots of showers. I don't know. So we're over here. We're camping up in here
It says
somewhere.
there's 86 through 129, right?
66, but yeah.
Sorry, my glasses on.
And then, see, there's a CCC museum. There's a visitor center. So that road does run all the way. So that says something Park Road.
Yep.
So there's a whole bunch of picnic areas, and I don't
Kayak
know
launch or
what.
something.
Yeah, it does look like a kayak launch.
Swift Creek Lake. And then you have Beaver Lake.
What's all this? Box Turtle MTB? Little West Virginia. What's MTB? There's horse trails. Oh.
Bike trails, mountain bike trail.
Oh. Interesting.
A lot of mountain.
Man, yeah, look at all the trails. So these are like hiking and biking. These are hiking only. These are all mountain biking. Wow. I want to check out the laundry. It's open 24/7. The camp store is closed Monday through Thursday. Okay.
Well, you know, nobody camps Monday through Thursday.
That's a tiny camp store. It's like really just like batteries and, you know, those kinds of, and a few stuffed animals, because those are essential too. Yeah. Machine is empty. Laundry supplies are now available in the vending machine. Oh. Interesting. Now that's new. I've never seen that before. So you can get your snuggle and your breath savers all at the same time. That's pretty cool. $1 for a thing of softener. $1 for, is that the laundry detergent? Is it? It's all $1. That's not too bad. I don't think. I don't know. I haven't used a laundromat and I don't even want to say how long. I don't know. I can't remember. $1.50. I don't know if that's good or bad. Oh, that's a dryer. That's a washer. $2 for the washer, $1.50 for a dryer. Or you get the big mamas over here. It's nice and clean looking though. Yes, these are some nice sights up here. I mean, ours is nice. I'll show that to you when we get back to it. We're gonna roll around through the park a little bit. And more sights down here. Yeah, this is really shaded down here. Ours is not, which
Well, we'll be at the first half of the day, but not the second half.
kind of a bummer though. But we do have electric up to 50 amp,
Yep.
and we have water
Yes.
at our site.
10 sides. Over here, just had the big like squared off.
Yes, now I don't like these sites because they're back to back. One faces this way, one faces the other, but their back end of theirs is right at the back end of yours. I don't like that. Plenty of shower houses and stuff, I think. There's a lot of sites, and this is a big park. I'm not going to show you every single site. That'd take way too long, and I don't think y'all care about that. No, I like that site. It's like down in there. Probably really cool down in there. It's all shady and stuff. This will probably be the only hiking that we will do in this park. We got so much other stuff to do, we're not going to have time. Besides, you know, hiking's just not really our thing anymore. I think this was a 0.3 mile trail or something like that. Isn't that what it was? 0.3? Yeah. And it's going to take us to a spillway, and I just realized how windy it is down here. Yep. I didn't bring my microphone, so of course, wouldn't have it any other way. But we're gonna go down and check out this little spillway. Get some pictures and stuff. Oh. So, I mean, it's not like spectacular, but it's kind of cool. Kind of nice, peaceful, relaxing sound. And then there's the little bridge over here. And there's the little bridge. The water does not look very clean. Quite brown. So if you drive on down that road right there, that goes down to the lake. You can put your kayak in the water down there, and you can't swim. There's some trails down there and stuff, a little footbridge. This is what I thought was interesting. They have a pool complex in this state park. It's obviously closed at the moment. But, I mean, it is October. I bet this place is so busy in the summertime. Look at all the little slides and things to go down into the pool. Looks like there's kiddie pool. That is pretty sweet. That's part of one of the bike paths. / hiking paths, I believe. There's the lake. It's pretty. Very pretty park. I'm gonna walk up here on this little bridge. Do not feed ducks and geese. Violators subject to a fine. There's somebody over there fishing. It's pretty. And this is our campsite. This whole section is ours. We're almost like fenced in with greenery. It was a little sunny when we first got here, but it's shaded over a little better now. But pretty nice site. We are gonna have some dinner. I'm going to cook up some pancakes. I'm gonna make some pancake wraps. Use your imagination. I have pancake mix, I have hash browns, I've got some bacon. Okay, so there it is. Just got some hash browns and bacon wrapped inside of the pancakes. Kind of like a taco. And then just gonna put some syrup on it. Okay, what do you think of them?
Good.
You like it?
Yep, I already ate one.
Already ate one whole one?
Yes.
I've been gone like 5 seconds.
Well, I ate it in 3.